10, Amazon bathroom hacks. Number 6 are my shower steamers, which are pretty much bath bombs, but for the shower.
No way.
You just need to take it out, unwrap it, place it in a light stream of water, and then it starts smelling so good and makes you feel nice and relaxed.
That's amazing.
Number 2 is my beard bar that helps me handle my beard mess whenever I shave, and it's so satisfying to use. It comes with an easy to clean container you can use or just rinse with water. It can easily mold around your sink, and the sponge is bacteria and mildew resistant.
Oh, that's cool.
Number 9 is my travel toothpaste cleaning case that has ultraviolet lights that will clean your toothbrush to a 99% disinfectant rate and will clean your toothbrush 30 times on one charge.
That's genius.
Number 2 is my nose hair plucker that can help you take care of all the loose ones hanging out where they shouldn't. Just press in to expand, let go to tighten down, and then pull fast or you might cry a little.
It hurts, okay?
Number 1 are my dude bombs that you just throw in the toilet before a number 2 and it'll make a stinky thing less stinky.
You know you need
Number
it.
7 is my foot callus file, and you'll be amazed at how well it can grind down rough spots on your feet. Just locate the area and then go to town like Parmesan cheese at your favorite Italian restaurant.
Okay, thanks for watching. Love you. Bye.